Hey, this is Kane. We're doing a BTI bike check today. We're checking out version 2 of my NS rag. I think we did the first version of it and the hard to get parts version of it from last winter. I finally got this bike built up to how I want it. And yeah, it's totally a new bike from that one. So the frame is the same. It is a NS Rag Plus. I think it's a 2019 model year. Stuff that's the same. It's the same EA70 AX bar, which is like their gravel bar with like a little bit of flair to it. Thompson post, power saddle. The stuff that is new are the wheels, drivetrain, brakes. I think the cranks are new, and a bunch of accessories on the bike. So I'll just go from front to back. Ended up getting a SRAM Rival 1x11 group set. This is the hydraulic brake version. The bike is set up 1x, obviously, with the Rival rear derailleur and the Easton EA90 alloy cranks. I think I have a 42 tooth chainring on there. It's a wolf tooth, just the round direct mount chainring. For the cassette, I have the E13 TRS Plus. It's a 946. It's been solid for the range here. In Santa Fe, we've got like big flat desert in one direction and then mountains on the other side. So I think it, have some good top speed before I spin out, and a nice granny gear combo for going up the mountain. Also, we've been doing longer rides lately before it got really cold. So we've got a little Tioga bag set up. This is just their little top tube snack bag. It's where we'll usually keep nutrition or keys or something like that. And then here in the frame bag, I'll usually keep a layer or something, like a rain jacket, a water filter. I have a little water filter that's about that big. Just anything to keep me going for a long ride where you're out for a couple hours and you might need to refill water or be ready for different weather conditions and stuff. Other stuff on the bike. I have multiple Garmin mounts, one for the Garmin itself and then one for my phone when I'm doing rides that are a bit more adventurous and I need a map. I also have a Night Rider Lumina 1200 headlight. This is the newer one with the OLED screen on it. And I usually have the matching 250 taillight on the back. And just their K-Edge integrated mount, so it looks all clean and hopefully you can see this looks kind of good and tidy in the front. Other cool things on this bike, the wheels are the kind of biggest upgrade we made. I built it here. These are Easton Arc 25 gravel rims and 700C. These are 25 millimeter internal width rim. These are 28 hole and they're laced to RS4 gravel hubs. They're based on their Pro 4 hubs, just these are the gravel spacing ones. So they're center lock, smaller, lighter, all that good stuff. I got blue ones, as I think you can probably see. The wheels are built with Supreme CX Ray spokes and just blue Supreme nipples just to keep the color theme going. I also put the Hope, I think it's the RX4 4-piston brake kit to pair with the SRAM Rival levers. We stock these brakes in both dot fluid and mineral oil setup, so they'll work with the Shimano, Campy, TRP, or SRAM drivetrain. These brakes have been awesome. They're basically 4-piston mountain bike brakes that I can work with drop bar levers. They're also blue, which is a big deal for me. Love these brakes. They use kind of the same pads as any of the Avid SRAM family of brakes, so they're really easy to get pads for, and they've been awesome, and they look cool. That's pretty much it. I usually keep a Kane Crank Brothers frame pump on the bike. I have CO2s, but I try not to use those when I can. Did a little custom work and have a extra water bottle mounted on the bottom. Like I said, we're doing some long rides nowadays, and it's nice to carry as much water as possible. Also have the Toyoga handlebar bottle bag that I'll sometimes throw on there when it's a really long day or really hot or something. And yeah, that's the full check on the bike. Been super happy with it. This will probably be how it stays until it's upgraded to something else. Do swap out tires regularly. These are the Donnelly EMP tires in 45C. Have a pair of Maxxis Ramblers that I use for lighter duty riding, and a pair of WTB Riddlers in a much smaller size for more road-centric riding as well. Yeah, it's been my do-it-all bike. Does my road stuff, gravel stuff, even gets the occasional mountain bike trail. And yeah, most of these parts are on BTI, so check them out. Try and have a list in the description. And yeah, thanks.